Hello everyone, and a warm welcome to elDoc Tutorials. Today, we're going to provide you with valuable insights into user profiles and organizational structure in elDoc. elDoc offers advanced features for managing user profiles, providing you with extensive control. If you're looking to find detailed information about a specific user, including their title, position, organizational unit, and contact details, you can effortlessly do so by using the search panel. Every user profile offers a comprehensive overview, complete with contact details. In addition to this, you can quickly check if a user has assigned a deputy to act on their behalf in their absence. Moreover, you have the ability to review appreciations received by the user and those given by the user to their teammates. This social business aspect fosters effective collaboration among team members, promoting a more connected and engaged work environment. If needed, you can also verify the user's location within the organizational structure. If you possess admin rights in the elDoc system, you have the ability to view and modify the entire organizational structure of your company. To get started, simply navigate to the Organization Structure menu. From there, you can locate the desired organizational unit by applying filters or searching based on other criteria. If you're looking to create a new unit in your company, just click on the Add button and fill in all the required information. This includes specifying the name of the organizational unit, defining the parent unit, selecting the head of the unit, providing a description if needed, and assigning users who will belong to this organizational unit. After successfully creating the new organizational unit, you can promptly check your changes and view it within the visualized organizational structure. Managing user profiles has never been easier. Experience the simplicity and efficiency for yourself. Try elDoc for free today.